Okay, our island top is in place. Now, one of our next projects is going to be this base, so we'll be talking about that later. Ada seems excited. So, I did have to sand off the edges. They were too tight after oiling them. Yeah, I just made them a little bit too snug. But did sand it off. Uh, Turns out this one sanded a little easier, so I took more off that one towards the end to get this one in. So that worked out nice. I'm gonna have to check them, and maybe I'll pull two because I don't know what's gonna happen now that it's here. Is it gonna? I don't know. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna swell? Is it gonna shrink more? I don't know. So I think I might pull a couple tiles out, and then I'll check them when I get back to see what it did. Okay, so we'll be talking about the base soon in a project.